As
you know, we're learning the halachas in the Rambam on Hilchos Meila. Meila means lim'ol mal b'Hashem, which is anything that's sanctified for Hashem, and you use it for your personal benefit. It's called Meila. You have to bring, if you did it purposely, you pay the usage of it, plus you bring a sacrifice, and so forth. So today, interesting halacha is that wine, yayin, if you donate wine to the Beis Hamikdash, what do you do with the wine? They pour it by the Mizbeach as an offering to Hashem. It has to be good wine, dry wine, sugar. It has to be not cooked, like special wine. So when I donate this wine to Hashem, if someone takes a cup, drinks the wine, he did Me'ilah. Because he took wine that was designated for Hashem's use, and he drank it. So he has to pay the value of the wine, plus another fifth, plus a sacrifice. So that's what he does. However, after they poured the wine, that means the wine was already poured, it went down these tubes, like these, it was like a canal, from the altar all the way down. They had like this stream that the wine used to come out. Once the wine is poured and it goes down the system, you could use it for your own benefit. In other words, the sanctification is only till it's used. Once it did its job, you can take anything that pours out and use it for your benefit. Even the blood, for example. The blood used to sprinkle on the Mizbeach. What did they do with the leftover blood? They poured it into this, canal, this channel that was under the Mizbeach, and they poured all the rest. It ran down the tube, and it went into this stream of water. So many farmers used to take this blood, because blood you could use for fertilization, and fertilize. They felt it was an honor to be able to use blood from a sacrifice to fertilize the field. But once it was already used for its purpose, now there's no more Me'ilah. Me'ilah is only from when you sacrifice it till it does its purpose. The same thing is with the sacrifice of the bread. Every Shabbos they used to put 12 breads on the table. It stayed there a whole week. So during the week, one of the Kohanim takes a piece of bread from the table. He wants a sandwich with something. He has to pay the value, plus sacrifice, plus a fifth. But on Shabbos, they used to take the incense that was on the bread and bring it as a sacrifice to the altar. Once they did that, all the bread was permitted to eat already. In other words, once the job is done, there's no more Me'ilah. So this is something, an interesting thing, because we have, like, for example, if someone designates a kiddush, and he says, all this I'm designating to the shul. Could someone eat from it before the shul uses it? Let's say like breakfast. Yaakov buys breakfast, and he designates all the foods for breakfast. Someone wants a sandwich before breakfast. Is it called that you're benefiting from something before the time was used? So this is a lot of halachos that have to do with this concept. One of the things that I said, the Rebbe's custom was that on Sukkot, when you take the lulav and you tie the aravot and the hadassim together with the lulav, so what they used to do is they cut a piece of the lulav from the bottom off. So how do you cut it? You take a knife, you put the lulav on a table and cut it. So the Rebbe was very careful not to cut it on the walls of the sukkah or on a table that belonged to the shul. Because when you make a groove in the table, you're doing Me'ilah. You're damaging the table. The table belongs to the shul, and you made a groove. You decided to cut your lulav, and the knife gave a shtech into the table, and you made Me'ilah. So this is all kinds of things that happen today. You're not going to have to bring a sacrifice, but it's the same idea. You use something that's designated for this, you use it for your personal benefit, or you do a damage to it, you have to pay the value. 1/5 plus the sacrifice. So Hashem should help. We should only use things in a positive way and be able to designate all our